Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making Suan La Fen. You can call it hot and sour sweet potato noodles. A spicy, tangy, and super flavorful noodle dish from Sichuan and Guizhou. It's got all the bold flavors: spicy, sour, fragrant, and savory, but isn't greasy at all. If you love bold flavors, you will want to try this. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the flavor-packed sauces. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon 豆瓣酱, 1 tablespoon soybean paste, 1 tablespoon sweet bean paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, 2 teaspoons sugar. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now let's prepare the seasoning bowl. In another empty bowl, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon MSG, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons aged vinegar, half a tablespoon ground Sichuan pepper, 1 tablespoon Sichuan pepper oil, 1 tablespoon chili oil, a handful of chopped green onions, a bit of chopped preserved mustard, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic infused water. For the Sichuan pepper powder, you can make it yourself. I've included the full process of how to make the Sichuan pepper powder at the end of this video, and you can use the timeline in the description to jump to that part. And remember, adjust the amount of the chili oil based on your spice tolerance. Add more if you love heat, or use less if you prefer a milder kick. Now heat some oil in a wok and add the minced meat. Stir fry until it changes the color and is fully cooked. Then add the sauce mixture we prepared earlier. Cook on low heat to let all those incredible flavors develop. Once it's aromatic, add in the minced ginger and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant, and then pour in just enough water to cover the meat. Cover and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. After simmering, remove from heat and transfer the sauce to a bowl for later use. Look at this rich, flavorful sauce. It smells amazing. Next, let's cook the noodles and veggies. Bring a wok of water to a boil and add the soaked sweet potato noodles. This should be soaked in water for at least 3 to 4 hours beforehand. Add some bean sprouts as well and blanch everything together. Here I'm using soybean sprouts because the mung bean sprouts were sold out when I went grocery shopping. But traditionally, Chinese-style Suan La Fen is made with mung bean sprouts. Once the noodles turn transparent, they are ready. Drain the noodles and transfer them to the seasoning bowl we prepared earlier. Pour a few spoonfuls of noodle cooking water into the bowl to mix with the seasonings. Then layer on crunchy peanuts, fresh cilantro leaves, the fragrant meat sauce, a final sprinkle of chopped green onions. The spicy, tangy flavor is so addictive. You just keep coming back for another bite. You should definitely try making this at home too. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Here is how to make Sichuan peppercorn powder step by step. First, heat the wok without adding any oil or water. Pour the peppercorns directly into the wok and stir fry them until they are just slightly scorched but not burnt. Then take them out and grind them into powder. That's it.